Hi everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to fix the command center button and the Armory Crate SE button not working on your ROG Ally. Uh, to note, my ROG Ally is the non-extreme version, which is the regular Z one. I don't know if it's any different, but anyway, I'm still gonna show you how. Any of you are having the same problem as I do, which is booting up your ROG Ally and suddenly your Armory Crate stopped working and the command center button is also not working no matter what you do. Uh, Usually before, uh, it was a lot of trouble for me to keep reinstalling the Armory Crate just to get it running. But I just found out the more viable fix today, which is actually very simple and you don't need to repeatedly reinstall the Armory Crate application. So, first of all, what you want to do is go over to the services, which you can find if you want it faster, you can just search here. But I searched that before, so it's already there. You can just type in services and you want to open this. So, what we're seeing is that the Armory Crate SE service right here, the one I highlighted, is saying disabled. This is the cause of the problem, which makes our command center button and the ACSE button not showing anything, like it's not working, like it's broken. But the fix is right here. It's all right here. So what you want to do is you want to right click this and go to properties. You don't need to do anything else, just do this and you're gonna see this now. And what you want to do is you want to change the startup type right here. And there's a lot of option here. And to fix this, simply choose automatic. Sorry. And then after choosing automatic, click on apply, and then you're gonna start seeing the option to start. Before, when it's disabled, you're not gonna see anything. You're not gonna be able to click on start no matter what you do. So remember to just change the start type, set it to automatic, apply, and then click on start. Give it a moment and it should now be working normally. There you go. Everything is now loading normally with all your data intact. And the command center button is also working now. There you go. It should fix that problem. To be honest, I don't know what caused the issue I'm having. I've never tampered with the program or with the ASUS programs in this device, but just kind of happened. But just in case anybody out there is experiencing the same thing, I hope you found this video and found this helpful. So I guess that's all from me. Thank you guys for watching, and please do let me know if you're still having any issues or you have any questions about the troubleshooting step I gave in this video. I'll be happy to help with the troubleshooting or, just work on it together. Thank you guys for watching.